Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Patreon creator account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your Patreon creator account, start by visiting the Patreon website. Click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. You will have the option to sign up using your email, or you can choose to connect through Google or Facebook. If you choose the email option, enter your email address and create a password. Next, check your email for a verification message from Patreon. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Patreon website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be guided through the creator setup process. Select the Start Your Page button to begin setting up your creator account. You'll be prompted to choose a talkative, catchy name for your page. This name will be visible to your supporters, so choose wisely. Next, you will be asked to provide a profile picture. Select an image that represents your brand and resonates with your target audience. Then, fill out the About section with a brief description of what you create. This section should give potential patrons insight into what they can expect. Moving on, you will need to set up your creator tiers. Decide on the different levels of support you want to offer, along with corresponding rewards. Define what each tier includes, making sure it's appealing to potential patrons. Once your tiers are set, customize your Patreon page layout to fit your visual style. You can add cover images, adjust colors, and tweak layouts to create a cohesive look. After your page looks good, preview it to ensure everything appears as intended. If satisfied, click the Launch button to make your page public. Promote your newly activated Patreon account to your audience through other channels. Consider sharing the link on social media and your existing platforms. Monitor your page regularly to engage with patrons and update content as necessary. Congratulations, your Patreon creator account is now activated and ready for business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.